Hey there, welcome to our video on 10 essential but lesser known web development terms. As always, we're brought to you by Dropout Developer, the platform that provides free resources and tools to help individuals learn how to code and become a software developer. Check out the description below for more information. Let's start with Semantic HTML. This coding practice uses HTML elements to describe the meaning of content on a web page. By using Semantic HTML, search engines and screen readers can more easily understand the content of a web page. Next, we have AJAX. This technique for creating fast and dynamic web pages without reloading the entire page enables web developers to create more interactive and responsive user interfaces. Up next, we have progressive web apps. These are web applications that can function like native mobile applications, offering features like offline functionality and push notifications. Now, let's talk about Headless CMS. This is a content management system that separates the content creation and management from the presentation layer, allowing developers to use any front-end framework they choose. Moving on, we have single-page applications. This approach loads a single HTML page and dynamically updates the page as the user interacts with it, reducing the need for page reloads and providing a more fluid user experience. Next, we have web components. These are a set of web platform APIs that allow you to create reusable custom elements, providing a way to create encapsulated components that can be used across multiple projects. Now, let's talk about CSS Grid. This layout system allows you to create complex, grid-based layouts with CSS, simplifying the process of creating complex layouts and enabling designers to create more visually appealing web pages. Up next, we have service workers. This JavaScript file runs separately from the main browser thread and can handle tasks like caching and push notifications, providing a way to create more responsive and faster web applications. Moving on, we have WebAssembly. This is a low-level binary format for the web that can be used to run high-performance code, ideal for tasks like gaming and video editing. Last but not least, we have WebSockets. This protocol provides full duplex communication channels over a single TCP connection, creating real-time communication between a web client and a server, useful for applications that require constant updates. And that's it. We hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more great content like this. And don't forget to check out Dropout Developer for more resources and tools to help you on your journey to becoming a software developer. Thanks for watching.